Hello dear friends, I hope you all are doing well. I am your ESPI buddy. Welcome back to our channel, on which we run a series of videos to improve your English. Today we present to you another topic in this series. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to understand a few words and their uses. These words are not just any words, but words which are commonly confused and used incorrectly or interchangeably without making any sense. Here are the words which we are going to cover today. Let's begin with accept, spelled as A-double-C-E-P-T, and accept, which is spelled as E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept means to agree, or to receive something offered. Accept, on the other hand, means excluding, or with the exception of. The X of accept can help you to remember that it means excluding. Accept का अर्थ है सहमत होना, और accept, with an E, का अर्थ है उसके बिना या अलावा. Here are some examples for you. The second pair is beside and besides. Beside is a preposition of place, which means next to. Beside का अर्थ है बगल में. Look at the examples on the screen. My house is beside Tom's house, मतलब मेरा घर टॉम के घर के बगल में है. इसी तरह, इस संदर्भ में, अन्य उदाहरण पढ़ें. Don't sit beside me, I don't want to catch a cold from you. Here, the person is asking the listener to not sit next to him, as he does not want to catch a cold from the listener. Further, beside can also be used in the context of comparison with. Beside, तुलना के संदर्भ में भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. For example, my sister has earned her place beside the best singers in the industry, means that she is now considered on the same level as other top singers in her industry. Now, let's look at besides. Besides, on the other hand, means apart from that. Besides का अर्थ है इसके अलावा. Let us see a few examples. Besides Indian food, the Royal Restaurant also serves Chinese, Japanese, and Thai food. मतलब, भारतीय भोजन के अलावा, रॉयल रेस्टोरेंट चीनी, जापानी, और थाई भोजन भी परोसता है. See how besides is used to separate Indian food from the other cuisines. Moving on to the next pair, amount and number. Number generally refers to anything which we can count, whereas amount refers to how much of something is there. While both of them are used to express quantities, numbers can be counted while amount can be measured. Another way of putting this can be, that number is used for how many, whereas amount is used for how much. नंबर आमतौर पर किसी भी चीज को संदर्भित करता है, जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं, जबकि अमाउंट का मतलब है कि कुछ कितना है. इन दोनों का उपयोग मात्राओं को व्यक्त करने के लिए किया जाता है, लेकिन नंबर्स की गणना की जा सकती है जबकि अमाउंट को मापा जा सकता है. Do read the examples of amount on the screen to understand better. All of these are measurable, so amount is used here. Now look at the examples for number. All of these are countable, and hence number is used here. Next up is climate and weather. Weather reflects short-term conditions of the atmosphere. It can change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, and season to season, whereas climate is the average daily weather for an extended period of time at a certain location. In other words, the average of weather over time and space is climate. वेदर वातावरण की शॉर्ट टर्म स्थितियों को दर्शाता है। यह मिनट दर मिनट या घंटे दर घंटे और मौसम दर मौसम बदलता है, जबकि क्लाइमेट एक निश्चित स्थान पर विस्तारित अवधि के लिए औसत दैनिक मौसम है। समय और स्थान के अनुसार मौसम की औसत को क्लाइमेट कहते हैं। It can be seen that climate has a much broader meaning than weather. हम पूछ सकते हैं कि आज किसी जगह का वेदर कैसा है, लेकिन अगर हम जानना चाहते हैं कि वहाँ आमतौर पर कैसा मौसम रहता है, तो हमें पूछना चाहिए कि वहाँ की क्लाइमेट कैसी है। And the final set of words is there, there, and there. This trio can confuse writers of all levels. It's confusing, as they are homophones, meaning they have the same pronunciation, but differ in meaning and derivation. Even though they sound the same, they aren't spelled the same. Let's explore the correct usages of the three. Firstly, when to use there, that is T-H-E-I-R. There is the possessive case of the pronoun, so it has to do with what belongs to, relates to, or is made, or done by certain people, animals, or things. As in, they left their cell phones at home, which means वो अपना cell phone घर पर भूल गए. It's their house मतलब यह उनका घर है. We're their neighbors. हम उनके पड़ोसी हैं. There is generally plural, but it is increasingly accepted in place of the singular his or her, after words such as someone. Look at the example. Here, the speaker is referring to a single person as there, to mean that the book is his or hers, and that he or she has forgotten it. Now, let us see when to use there. T-H-E-R-E. There is an adverb which means in or at that place. In this sense, there is essentially the opposite of here. This is what's known as an adverb of place, which answers the question, where an action is taking place. You can also remember by noting the fact that it contains the word here. And thus, it can remind you of a location. Let us look at some examples. Those people are there now, means वे लोग अब वहाँ हैं. We'll be there soon. हम जल्द ही वहाँ होंगे. It's also about location in a more abstract sense. There is still hope means आशा अभी भी है. True friends are always there for you. सच्चे दोस्त हमेशा आपके लिए होते हैं. Here, the sentence is not stating any physical location, but an abstract one. Finally, talking about their THEY', there is a contraction, which means they are. They're famous saints. They're the fastest bowlers ever. Thus, the apostrophe s is just a contraction of they are, as seen in the examples. Alright folks, so that's it for this video. We hope this video helped you. In case you have any questions, feel free to mention in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and share it, so that others can also benefit from the same. Oh, and also, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, to receive regular updates, and improve your command over the English language. To enroll for our online coaching, call us on the number on the screen, or log on to espionline.in. Wish you a great day ahead. See you.